This past week I've been kind of lazy, I've been, let me just say, I've been consuming a lot, and I've been giving myself excuse to actually not do the work, like do my own work. So I don't know why I'm telling you this, but let's get back to the video. This is an update on my vertical farm. You can see it's looking kind of unfinished. Yeah, this is the cheapest way I can make this project come to life. So we got the plastic cans. I haven't actually done the back of it. So we're supposed to fill here with plastic cans. I'm kind of worried the way they're all jam packed. You know, I just pray they don't have like a spacing issue. So yeah, what's next for this is actually adding this. I am adding the plastic cans on this side. Then we're talking about putting our irrigation um, pipes from up here. So I think that's what I'll be doing this week. So I'll be I'll be releasing a video hopefully if I make this update. So I'm gonna add the irrigation tube. Then we're going to look for where we'll get a suitable soil in Enugu here. Then we're going to treat the soil and make sure it's enriched with all the stuff a plant needs. Then we're gonna fill it. Then maybe on Saturday I'll be going to the market to buy some seeds. I can't just bring my phone out on the market, so I'll just show you an after purchase because me carrying my phone to the market is very risky. My phone might disappear. So now I think that's what's left. Actually, I'm not happy that I missed this this last week. I'm not happy that last week was not productive, but actually I'm just saying this so that I'll hold myself accountable. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe. There's a lot of money that is still going to go into this, the plastic pipes. Then for the back, I've gotten the plastic bottles for the back, but we have not bought this. What do they call it? These screws. So we need screws about 100 and something screws, and this screw is like 10 naira. Yeah. So we'll be needing this for the back. So I think that's it. So actually, the money I've spent on this is like the equivalent of 10 to $15. So yeah, and actually, why I'm not, I don't want this, or let me just say, I don't want my videos to be more of an editing part. So I don't want to be making it harder for me to make a video, edit, and upload. So I'll be making it raw so that the time for me to upload my videos will be less. So that's it. I made a video of this, like two videos now, like part one and part two of this my vertical farm. So if you have not watched it, you can go on my channel now and watch it, and also do well to subscribe. Honestly, I just I just want like-minded people to actually follow this channel. If you are building something, if you have like an idea in your mind, and you are just you are just thinking of how to do it, just follow my footsteps. Just start, bro. When you start, you will find traction. So this is like a traction for me, even though I don't want to do anything again. When I look at this from my hostel, I'm actually in the hostel. When I look at this from my hostel, I'll be like, no, I can't stop. So I have to finish this in this week. So you can see the weather is showing that there's going to be rainfall in like 3 days time or 2 days time. So I need to be prepared for it so that I will start with the planting season, and also want to make this that it will be all year round. So, but this is what we're starting with. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Subscribe.